Yeah, man.
And you know,
God damn it. Ah, bitterness.
they use it for hair.
Hair, so if you have breaking hair or what, or dandruff, which one? Is it broken hair or dandruff?
All together with sauce and all that.
Oh, okay. If you have sore in your hair too, you can use it.
Dandruff,
okay.
and hair breakage is.
Oh, okay. Wow. Now the solution to your dandruff and the breakage of hair and the sore under your hair and everything is now here. Courtesy by Cooking with Sindaco or Kodo. Man, I've just been told that they have neem tree oil over here. I just found out, they just told me. Unfortunately, I'm leaving tomorrow morning, but I still have to do this video. Maybe I might not get the whole process, so I'll try to describe or explain everything in the video. I'll get to the seeds and everything and the oil as well, but the process in between I might not get it because unfortunately I'm leaving tomorrow morning and I just found it. You know, as you can see, the sun is setting. This is neem tree, very popular tree over here in the northern part. Even in Ghana, across Ghana, you can find neem tree all over Ghana. This tree, we chew it in the morning to brush our teeth, gone are the days, and some people, or you have some tribes that still use this to brush our teeth instead of the paste. Okay, it's bitter and it's very nice, like it's healthy as well. I do believe that when you get the leaves and you add in some ginger and everything, it cures a lot of things. When Corona came, this leaf serves a lot of purpose. People were boiling this with pineapple and ginger and garlic, and they were drinking to cure the corona and etc. So basically we are coming to do neem tree oil inside tamale. Wow. So this is a house, modern kind one. Hello, Alora. Alula. So in the day we greet Alura, in the afternoon Antri, and the morning what? That's ba. Nah. So this is the neem tree seed. The seeds, okay.
Now you're taking off the outer peel.
Okay.
This is what the
It's like this, yeah. And when you peel it, you get something like from this to this.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the seed, and when you crack it, you have something like this. Okay. So neem tree seed, this has been dried, and we have the second, the inner part of it. Okay, so we have these two like that, and then you soak it. Do you soak it?
No, like I don't like So she pounded this.
Yeah.
After pounding this, she sieved it.
Okay.
Before she starts introducing little water.
To mix it. To get something like this.
Yeah, small gradually.
So water.
She's
okay, so when she sieves it, the smoother part, that's where she add the water. Okay, so water was being added, or some amount of water was added, whilst kneading and mixing, and later got something like this. Okay, and then what again? Do you boil it, or how do you get the oil?
The process you did with this one.
The granite oil.
Yeah. So you consider that process.
So you'll be needing. So okay. So once adding the water to the powder, you'll be needing. Then okay. Basically, to get the oil, you still have to knead whilst adding water, little by little. Then you'll be needing it. So basically, it's like making the peanut oil. I have a video about that, so I'll show you guys how it was done.
This one is hot water.
Okay. Yeah. So we are adding hot water to our peanut paste or granite paste to make the peanut oil or granite oil. So you mix like that. Make sure you knead them nicely with your hand. It will go on top of fire.
No.
So it cannot go on top of fire. You only need hot water to get the oil from the peanut. So as you can see, man, the oil is dripping. So you need continuously, then the oil will come out. You can see that there's oil underneath.
The oil.
Yeah, and this is oil. This neem tree oil. Okay, and basically I've been told that if you have insects in your room, you can use this oil to kill the insects, cockroaches, ants, and all those stuff. And what again does it do?
They use it for hair.
Hair. So if you have breaking hair or what, or dandruff, which one? Is it broken hair or dandruff?
But yeah, now that's also
How you my back?
all together with sauce and all that.
Okay. If you have sore in your hair too, you can use
So
it.
dandruff and hair breakage is.
Okay. Wow. Wow. So it's not edible. You can't eat it. You can eat it. You can eat it, but it's bitter.
It's bitter.
So what kind? What is some? To brush your teeth.
No, why you say tooth decay or something? Why you put it? It heals it.
Okay,
Like
so like cacao.
Yeah,
if you have
cacao.
cacao. Okay.
That's why but they don't use it to prepare
Food. Oh, okay.
Because it's so
Bitter. Oh, okay. Yes, the name is bitter. Ay, auntie, ajudin, wujudin. Anyway, so basically, it has 3 main function or benefits. One is to kill insects and cockroaches and all those stuffs, and also if you have sore and the dandruff and breakages in your hair, you can use to cure. And also if you have tooth decay, which is cacao, you can insert some inside the cotton and place it under your teeth, and it will heal. Man, neem tree oil. Wow. This is shared by neem tree oil, and man, wow, amazing. Amazing, man. I keep saying there are lots of stuff over here in the northern parts of Ghana. We in the southern part have no idea about it. We have no clue. Man, you come here and you see a lot of stuff over here, and they keep it by themselves. That's why they are strong and healthy. I keep saying this every day. You can't say anything about that. Man, if you are having issues, especially those in abroad who are facing problem with the breakages of hair, the sore, the dandruff, and everything, I've brought you the cure and the remedy. Neem tree oil is going to solve the issue to prevent your hair from breaking and also prevent the dandruff and everything. Man, call this number and it is what it is. Now the solution to your dandruff and the breakages of hair and the sore under your hair and everything is now here. Courtesy by Cooking with Sindaco. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this again. For Shazam Maniza, I'm out one.